bro. Bro, me alright, bro. Anyway, the argument go for me, so I done with it. I wanted to address Jeff tonight. Jeff, say me always I have love for you, brother. And whether you want to take it yes or no, you see everything me left it I got foot already. I don't have nothing more to say about that.
Brother, enough love, and I appreciate you taking the time to jump on the platform.
Thanks, big up your damn self. All is well, man.
Alright, enough love, my brother.
My blessings. We keep it stepping on. We keep it stepping on. We keep it stepping on. Check. Yo, Gemini, we put the work in like we're certain. Move like the breeze blowing off the ocean. Mixing chemicals, creating potions. Everything we do with ease. It's like you're the lotion that be putting shit in motion. No slipping because you know we're very focused on devotion. Doing what we gotta do. And we staying very focused and be very true. Yeah, and we looking for blessings and blessings and blessings. No more stressing, regretting my steppings. Yeah. Ain't got no points to prove, but I'm very certain. If we snooze, we lose. Got to put the work in like we're certain. Don't ever get caught in the whirlwind. Blessings and blessings and blessings. No more stressing, regretting my steppings. Ain't got no points to prove, but I'm very certain. If we snooze, we lose. Got to put the work in like we're certain. Don't ever get caught in the whirlwind. Stepping on. We keep it stepping on. Keep it stepping on. Blessings. Hey.
Yo, God go with her, you know. God go with her. Every week, anybody will see me and Tina up on the road. I run road with Tina 100 days. 100 times I run road with her. Hey, me not feel like no girl ever lick me chip in a Toronto like other girl lick me chip. But me tell you that.
So,
listen to me. Listen to me.
Relax.
The people that bail me, who bail me, can tell you. Me said me can call them now because me have to live with them. And because I had a previous case with a assault, this is why me have to get bail. No. Because when you have a charge before and you aim to do your own bail, you have to get bail the next time. So listen to me. She know exactly where she bail me for. Listen to me, bro.
But Blacks, that's a different conversation though. That's dealing with abuse and everything. That's without you want to get too much of that. That's your personal thing, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We're here to address Jeff's situation, and we address the fact that there's no female out there that can come out there right now saying that they're positive.
Alright. 5 months now it happened. You will say from January, but it actually happened from December.
I found out in
January.
January.
Actually, I'm from December.
Okay.
So listen to me. Call who you want call and tell them to go the police station. Cause somebody, more than one people try.
Let me tell them to go to the police station. Why would they go to the police station?
No, because if me get charged for it, me get charged for it. Love people.
Hold on. Let me stay with you. Get charged for what? For transmitting the disease?
You never hear say me get linky links. Me play your devil's advocate right now. So are you under a rock or under the ground that you never hear that Canada Health something they look for me, them a look for me because so much female had come before the media come before come up and I infect them with HIV and all the you never hear that? Linky links, you hear that? You just appear devil's advocate.
What are they? Yes, I'm here. Bro, I'm asking you a question, my brother. Don't matter for me here, me I ask you a question.
Linky links. It's out there. It's out there that I was gone to jail. because Canada sitting there look for me at no point that have ever happened. At no point that had ever happened. No time at all that had ever happened. Me get charged for assault. That's what me get charged for. Assault.
Okay. Alright, brother. You get charged for assault. You know, so we get a platform to explain yourself, you explain yourself.
Me only never want to talk about this time. I never want nobody no obligation to explain what happened to me. Because none of them not going to help me anyway. Me see somebody all put out, oh, say blacks are beg money. Blacks are, I have never called nobody and tell them, say, yo, me I beg them the money. One sitting where I run, which say, oh, blacks need help, more money. When? Which part? Where? Oh. Links, me work hard, you know. If you throw a bomb in a downtown Toronto right now, me go down there go sell the dirt.
Bro.
Are you dumb?
Let me take a sip. Hold on, let me take a sip.
If you throw a bomb in a downtown Toronto right now, and you say blacks go clean up the wall of the dirt down there for me earn, I am going to do that. Because my shit no know for make party. My shit well sick. No joke.
Bro, you know say, make we leave it right here.
You see, Jeff, Hillary, every night your family, nothing but respect over here. Only tell to deal with the situation, only choose, only one deal with it. And I will no grudge for that. My heart clean. Whatever me I got you, now have nothing to do with the brand of Nitro. Whatever been said about me now have nothing to do with Nitro.
Now, blacks.
Hear that? I think personally, oh, Jeff had dealt with me as an individual. I never respect it, but me still have to understand it. Time is only just a human. Only
blacks, you more you do for me now. Again, it's up to you enough of them. This is just my personal opinion based upon what I heard from Jeff. I may I hear you, right? All you have to do is this. Just you and Jeff sit down man to man and have a conversation. That's all.
that already, brother.
And if you try that, ain't no work, we'll leave it right there, sir.
Brother,
we'll leave it right there, sir. Brother, listen to me. Brother, give me a time, I'm thoughts.
My church
just give me a minute, blacks.
Bigger than nobody else.
Brother, I'm going to speak. Just give me a minute, please.
Somebody 28 time and them never return that call. If you call somebody 28 time and them never return that call, it's same for me, them no want to chat to you.
Blacks, you may say I understand that, brother, but I'm just giving you my opinion. I may listen to what you say, but allow me to finish talking, my brethren.
Alright.
All I'm saying is this. All I'm saying is this. You and him never had that conversation then. All I'm saying is this now, bro. I personally hope everybody heal in this time because this is way bigger than
heal, brother.
Blacks, hold on, brother. Blacks, I'm speaking
me blacks over here so heal. So say I wish that the other people on the other side heal. Me, Fyah blacks. You know all me I look on right now, I got to help me. That's all me I look. Yo, bro, and I look at try, you know. Me clean all shit for make money. Me clean all shit for make dollar, bro. Bro, you alright, bro. Anyway, the argument go for me, so I done with it. I want it to address Jeff tonight. Jeff, say me always have love for you, brother. And whether you want to take it yes or no, you see everything my left it I got foot already. I don't have nothing more to say about that.
Brother, enough love, and I appreciate you taking the time to jump on the platform.
Links, big up your damn self, all is well, man.
Alright, enough love, my brother.